Hello, today I'm with Dominic Shales at Reset Media. And Dominic, it's a pleasure to have you here. Can you tell me a little bit about your business and how you use videos here?
Sure, pleasure to be here. Reset Media is a publisher. We have a number of different websites. There's Reset Media itself, and then we have a publication called evlife.world, which is about electric vehicles, predominantly aimed at drivers in the UAE and Saudi Arabia. And then lastly, we have a platform called climatesolutions.news, which, as it suggests, is all around climate technology and all of the advances that are going towards trying to address climate change. In terms of how we use Pictory, we create mostly videos from articles. So we publish articles on the website and then use the article to video function to create short videos that bring those to life, and we post those typically onto our social media channels to engage audiences and bring them back to read the full articles in the main websites.
Awesome. Dominic, what benefits have you seen from using these videos, from creating these videos, posting them into different channels?
I think it just brings stories to life. Audiences in on every single channel engage most with video these days. I think it's in our in our the way we respond online, we're drawn to video. So having something that is easy to digest, easy to kind of consume is a really good way of bringing people into the topic that we're trying to engage them around. Some of those people will then go on and they'll come into the main article on the website and they'll read through those main articles. But ideally, we're engaging with them on the channels that they're already at, whether that be YouTube or Instagram, Facebook, etc.
And you've seen a growth in the audience in all those channels since you
Yeah, I mean,
started.
I think it helps. I mean, we're building audience. We're not the New York Times yet, but hopefully that'll come. But it really helps to engage the audience and build kind of enthusiasm for the topics, and also we do see more people subscribing and following, and when we have video than just with straightforward kind of text or image posts.
Awesome. What would you tell anybody else who's either in the publishing business or trying to get into the publishing business about Pictory, about videos in general?
Well, I searched around for a tool like Pictory for quite a while before I found you, and I've been using the service for about 2 or 3 months, and I've just found it super useful, quick, easy to use, and really dramatically reduces the amount of time and effort required to create videos. One thing that's very, very useful is the stock footage that's available through the platform. Normally we'd be having to subscribe to a library, which can be very, very expensive, and then you'd have manual editing costs and all of those things. So bringing all of the editing and the footage into one platform makes it super easy to use within a good price.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Dominic, for your time. Really appreciate it.
Thank you very much.